Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to enable the Home button on the Google Chrome browser. Firstly, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Now look at the left panel and click on Appearance. In this section, you will find the option Show Home button. If this option is turned off, click on the switch to turn it on. Once it is enabled, you will see two options below it. The first option is New Tab Page. It means whenever you click on the Home button, Chrome will take you to a fresh new tab, basically your browser's start page. The second option is Enter Custom Web Address. This option allows you to set any website as your homepage. For example, you can set Google, YouTube, or any site you use daily. Just type the website address in the box provided. Right now, I am selecting the first option, New Tab Page. As soon as you enable it, you will notice a small home icon appearing at the left side of the address bar. Let's take an example. If I open YouTube and then click on the home icon, it will immediately take me back to the home page where a new tab opens. This makes browsing faster and convenient. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.